Good morning, my name is Shimpei.
Shimpei, nice to meet you. I'm Colin Robinson, one of the professors in the Carpentry Renovation program here at Niagara College. I understand you're interested in doing some construction, seeing what it is we do here.
Yeah.
That's awesome. We're going to have a look at a few things, but before we do that, I've got to get you a few basic tools, get you geared up. Tape measure, got to know what we're cutting to, hammer, and safety up that head of yours.
Okay.
Be protected.
Let's do some woodwork.
Shimpei, wait. How long have you been at this?
Like a few minutes?
It's not going well.
Okay.
Let's try something else. Whoa, Shimpei. This is day one.
Okay.
This comes a little bit later in your career, my friend. Come on off of there.
Okay. It's not gonna work. Silky smooth. Laser. Hey. Call me Clint Eastwood. This is a piece that I made today, and Colin is very proud of me.
Shimpei, I'm not sure if I would say proud, but we'll work on it together.
Okay. If you want to be a carpentry renovation technician, Niagara College has great program and even better, professor. I'm Shimpei Adachi, and this is No Experience Required.